Well, good news that Kyle's possession charge was basically tossed.
So it'll be exception, the state must prove, etc. Then number one, the defendant was under 18. Number two, and that the dangerous weapon was either a rifle, etc.
So he's going to instruct the jury that either they need to prove Kyle was under 16, which obviously he was 17, or they have to prove he had a short barrel rifle, which he didn't. So it's basically tossed because they can't prove that. So for all the people that were saying I couldn't know this because I'm not a lawyer, I'm sure you'll apologize and admit that I'm right. And also, if I was right, then does that make me a lawyer? Walmart law for the win again. The crazy thing is the defense, the prosecution, and the judge still don't understand the statute, though.
I concede he's in violation of 29593.
Why would you concede that? If you're not trying to obtain hunting approval, not having a certificate is irrelevant. It'd be like saying you're violating driver's license laws by not having a driver's license, even though you're not driving.
This statute doesn't apply to 16 and 17-year-olds, period.
That's wrong. It only doesn't apply to 16 and 17-year-olds that have a long rifle or long shotgun. It still applies to them if they have any other dangerous weapon. And the prosecution is making this same mistake.
That simply being 17, he is in compliance with that. It swallows the whole statute, and the statute makes no sense.
Which again is wrong, because any 17-year-old carrying a dangerous weapon defined under this statute, as long as it's not a long rifle or long shotgun, they violate that law. Why the hell do I have to explain it to these guys? Somebody send these guys my video. Though the judge had a fun response to the prosecution saying the law doesn't make any sense.
The statute makes no sense, you're out of luck.
Then the judge made a point that I've made before too.
The penal laws are construed strictly. But the basic rule is that the ordinary people should be able to understand what their laws are, so they know what conduct is allowed and what isn't. And I've been wrestling with this, and now I know that there's a lot brighter judges in this world than me, but I've been wrestling with this statute for, I'd hate to count the hours that I've put into it.
So there you have it. I can't wait for all the apologies. Walmart lawyer out!